Welcome back to Blockchain Education, where we explore blockchain and its applications. My name is Alexander Neulinger, and I'm working as a researcher at the Austrian Blockchain Center. In our previous video, we explored the fundamental concepts of blockchain and its potential to reshape the world of finance. Now we will dive deeper into the specific applications that is innovative in the financial sector and has a global impact. Millions of people rely on international remittances as they send money back to home to support their families. However, traditional remittances methods are often slow, expensive, and lack transparency. The reason is that the payment is hopping between various intermediaries, such as corresponding banks, for example, which are also located in different countries. For example, a transfer from Europe to Sub-Sahara region typically takes several days, sometimes even more than a week, and the transaction fees are often even higher than 10%. As we can see in the figure, citizens of many countries heavily rely on the remittances from the relatives and friends. For some countries, for example, Tonga or Haiti, the remittances even make up more than 20% of their GDP. This is where blockchain steps in. Blockchain technology offers several advantages that can transform the international payment landscape and remittances. Imagine using stablecoins on a blockchain platform. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies backed to stable assets, for example, the US dollar or the euro. This means their value remains relatively stable, allowing them to be sent and used like money, but utilizing the advantages of blockchain. An example of a stablecoin issuer is Circle. Circle stablecoins EURC and USDC are back to the euro or the US dollar respectively. And both offer a secure and transparent way to make international payments on a blockchain-based platform. It is important to note that Circle and its stablecoins EURC and USDC are compliant with the strict European regulations, which are called MiCAR. So how are stablecoins being used for international payments? Global sporting brands, for example, the ASICS, wanted to reach a wider audience for a limited edition shoe sale. Traditional payments methods wouldn't be efficient for such a global promotion. Here's where blockchain came in. In particular, the Solana blockchain was used, known for its fast and affordable transactions. By using Solana Pay and the stablecoin USDC, ASICS ensured a stable value for the products and facilitated seamless international payments. As a result, ASICS was able to reach customers in more than 60 countries, with the transactions settling in seconds and for just a fraction of a cent. But stablecoins aren't the only blockchain-based solution in the payment space. Blockchain technology, like Bitcoin Lightning Network, allows for incredibly fast and cheap transaction using a technical layer built on top of Bitcoin, which is called Layer 2 solution. Apps like Strike are utilizing the Lightning Network to offer their users near instant and cheap international payments. Imagine a worker in Europe sending money back to their family in the Philippines. Instead of going to a bank or to Western Union, they can use the Strike app to send a fraction of a Bitcoin instantly and only paying minimal fees. The recipient in the Philippines, for example, receives the funds directly in the mobile wallet, which is then easily convertible to the local currency. Behind the scenes, Strikes utilizes the Bitcoin Lightning Network for the actual transfer. Last but not least, the payment using Strike are not only fast and cheaper, but also more convenient, as both the sender and the receiver are using a user-friendly mobile app. To sum up, blockchain has the potential to significantly improve international payments. By offering security, transparency, and efficiency, blockchain can make sending money globally faster, cheaper, and more reliable. This enables a more inclusive and efficient financial application for everyone. As we learned in this module, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize different aspects of financial services, including international payments. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect even more exciting innovations in the future. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of blockchain applications in finance.